What is the 2-minute rule?
The 2-minute rule is a simple strategy to help you take immediate action on small tasks. If a task will take less than 2 minutes to complete, do it right away instead of putting it off. This prevents little things from piling up and keeps your to-do list from feeling overwhelming.
Why small tasks cause big problems?
Small tasks, like answering a quick email or filing a document, may not seem important on their own. But when left unattended, they accumulate. This creates clutter, stress, and ultimately drains your productivity. Using the 2-minute rule helps you break this cycle and maintain steady progress.
How to use the 2-minute rule?
As you go about your day, ask yourself, can I finish this in 2 minutes or less? If the answer is yes, do it immediately. This includes things like making a quick call, putting dirty dishes away, or sending a short reply. Acting right away builds momentum and frees up your mental space.
When to skip the 2-minute rule?
Not every task is suitable for the 2-minute rule. If something will take longer than 2 minutes, add it to your to-do list or schedule it for later. This ensures you don't rush complex tasks and helps you stay focused on what's urgent and achievable in the moment.
Benefits of the 2-minute rule.
Using the 2-minute rule makes your environment cleaner, reduces procrastination, and gives you quick wins throughout the day. Over time, these small actions add up to a noticeable boost in productivity and motivation. It's a proven way to conquer bottlenecks and keep moving forward.